Pwede mo siyang headpiece, no? Ayaw niya sa baba, o headpiece niyo na lang. Ganda niya, oh. Oh, i-match niyo lang lipstick, no? Ganda-ganda. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Roche, aka beautymagz. In today's video, we are doing another Shopee haul. This is going to be our part 5 for our topic for an affordable, sexy, lingerie, see-through panty haul. And of course, this is from Shopee. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Let's get into our first item of the day. What is it? Let's start with my favorite color, okay? And it's going to be galibog ko na unsa naman siya. Daghang gaway-gaway, guys. Ang daming tiba ek-ek nito. Okay, so the first panty is ta-da! Let's take off the tag. If you're interested for the seller and where I got this or the shop, comment down below. I will let you know. So this is it, guys. Look at that. Diba amazing? Mag-iiva ng alawi ka talaga dito, guys. This is it. Pansit. Lapigan dyan mas Ivana, ba? See, look at that. See through. Kita ang kung kaugmaon, ani. The future. You can see. Para kang see. Ba, baby, boo-boo. Because this is lang kita ng kaluluwa mo. So, again, this is the panty. Look at that. Oh, it got a flower. What is this? A hibiscus? Hibiscus. I think, no? And this is a thong. Look at that, no? It's like that. It's a string, no? You got to tie this at both ends, like that. Very, very sexy, guys. Para ka talagang si Ivana nito, alawi. Talbog mo si Ivana, alawi na daw. Mura ka Tarzan. I'm a Tarzan girl, yeah. Oh my life, it's changing every day, every possible way. Ganito ang effect. Pag sumuot ka nito, talbog mo pa sa iba na alawi. Para kang lumalaban kagaya ni Pacquiao. Manny Pacquiao, diba? Oh, matutuwa naman si Madam Jinky Pacquiao nito, no? Madam, biro lang. Okay, guys. So, our next item. Price is also for this haul. I'm going to list it down below. And also, if you're interested, let me know. I will put in the description box. This one, guys. Very, very striking. Para kang nabusay nito ba, no? Para kang si... Ewan. Para kang si... Siguro magsusuot ka nito, you will say, hit me, baby, one more time. Pagkatot, guys, diba? So cute siya. Okay. Let's take a look. Deeper look. Huh? Look at the details. Oh, parang ano siya? Egyptian, no? Like that. Parang walk like an Egyptian. Alright, hello? Ang lipstick ba? Walk like an Egyptian. Hindot mo na, it perfectly fit mo na, eh. La 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 la. Oh, bagay na bagay pala. How about dito sa taas, no? Parang fit na fit din yata to, eh. Oh, perfect, guys. Oh, parang ano pa rin, oh. Parang siyang headpiece, no? Para kang si Reno, si Jezebel, no? Lumalangoy ka sa dagat. Ay, pwede pala, oh. Or ibang ano na to, ibang Darna. Buang rego. Ang lindot siya lang, diba? Do you see? Pwede mo siyang headpiece, no? Ayaw niya sa baba, o headpiece niyo na lang. Ganda niya, oh. Oh, i-match niyo yung lipstick, no? Ganda-ganda. It's not really like see-through. It has like a mesh, but flowery. Very affordable, guys. This is a very affordable, sexy lingerie. Okay, very, very sexy and attractive. You will be amazed when you look at this in person because it's very, very beautiful. Mapawaw ka talaga. Like, wow, parang si Ivana. Alawi. Last but not the least of all the panties out there. It's so hard when you do shopping online, you know. You will choose the best one. Nakita ko na ito sa aking friend. Pero ito ba yun? Ay, different pala. So, okay guys. So, this is going to be our last piece of the day. Are you excited? Excited ako guys. This is a very, very intricate, very, it's a very nice design. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, ta-da! Look at that. Are you amazed? Super pretty. Okay, lagyan mo na natin. Oh, we'll take this off so you can see like the design of this. Actually, this shop, I'm very, very amazed on their items, and I mean the selections also that I like chose. I hit the jackpot big time kasi it's very beautiful. Look at that guys. Isn't that pretty? Sexy? Tiny? See-through again? Makita pang kaluluwa mo nito guys. Parang siyang spider, no? Look. But actually this is very, very, ito talaga pang Ivan Alawi talaga to, no? And then this may pa, siya, emblem like a pearl pa, no? It's very attractive, guys. Sexy lingerie. Mapapa, talaga yung evening nyo nito. When you wear it like, ooh, la shibe. Definitely, I would recommend it because, again, let's look at, again, the details, string, again, and then this one here, like thong. And yeah, only if you have problems with down there, you might have a little trouble, but if you don't, the only problem with here is mayroon siyang mga threading, no? You can see like the imperfections of this, but I don't mind with how cheap it is. Like it's very affordable, less than $1 lang to guys, no? If you can imagine, less than $1, tapos you can get like a design like this. What are you waiting for? It's a budget friendly. Make your spouse, make your partner feel, important. Do it. And yeah, this is it. Which one do you like the best? What item do you like the best? Actually, these 3 items, like this is like a jackpot for me big time, because look at that, affordable and comfortable. I would really highly recommend this. Just ask me, comment down below. I will tell you which shop did I chose to buy this panties. Okay, so this will end our video for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and also if you like, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you want to, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Oh, my life is changing every day, every possible way, and oh, my dreams never quite as it seems, never quite as it seems, and oh, my dreams never quite, amnesia, never quite as it seems. Yeah. Yeah. She bad, living la vida loca. Hit me, baby, one more time. Hi.